Writings on the wall inside my head, inside of me. Holding all these thoughts beneath my skin. Can you believe in all?
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? So I came up with this Diwali eye look and I'm super excited for it. I want you guys to learn an easy makeup look but yet very glam, and I came up with this peachy golden look. So you can kind of switch up a little bit if you're wearing a little bolder color, so you can kind of go a little bolder on your outer crease. And I came up with this because I'm wearing this peach kurta. I'm wearing this beautiful combination of peach and beige, and this has this beautiful golden detailing. So I came up with this peachy golden eye look. So if you would like to learn this look, then let's get started. if you like this video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And if you haven't seen my previous videos, make sure you click here and here. For my future videos, hit the bell notification so that you get notified and you don't miss any updates from me. And don't forget to subscribe because that will mean the world for me. Wish you all a very happy Diwali, and let me know in the comments what are you planning for Diwali. What are you going to do? Are you going to celebrate with your family? Are you going to be going at your cousins, or you have your family coming over or your friends coming over? I would love to know, and I would love to know what are you wearing for Diwali. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.